Hey guys, welcome to the channel Trailers to Reality, and this is Dilshad Ahmed. So today I'm gonna show you how you can add non-Steam games on your Steam account. When you log into your Steam account, go to the left side bottom and click on the add non-Steam games. So here you can add your non-Steam games like GTA, like Max Payne and similar games. So Steam games are like PUBG and other games which are available on Steam store, but you can add manually non-Steam games. So here are all available games which are installed in your computer, but there are some games which are not showing here, so you can browse for those games. So there's a simple method to install add your games in Steam account. So select the games you wanna add, and after that add the games in your Steam account, so you can play through the Steam account, or you can play online these games. So you can see I have added two games, GTA 5 and Max Payne 3. So now I can play the games from here.